measure the disorder, and randomness is called the entropy. Already you know the entropy. In this reaction, so the gas is changes into the solid. Okay, so the gas changes into solid means some entropy changes. You have some entropy changes in this equation. Okay, so entropy changes in this equation. You see the diagram. In the gas you have more entropy. This is the gas entropy. This is the liquid is the less entropy. Solid is the entropy changes is very less. Okay, so the oxygen is the gas, metal oxide is the solid. So the S1, this is the S1, this is the S2. Okay, it's the S2. The S1 is greater than S2. Okay, well, S1 entropy changes is greater than S2 because the S1 is gas, S2 is solid. Okay, well, so you are going to see the del S. Del S values means the differentiation of entropy changes. Okay, well, now you are going to see the differentiation of entropy changes means you are going to calculate the final stage to also initial stage. You subtract the final stage to initial stage. Final stage means S2 is the final stage, S1 is the initial stage. But you are going to subtract them S2 minus S1. S1 is greater, S2 is lower. So S1 is positive values, S1 is, sir, you get the negative value. But del S values is negative. Now we are going to substitute this equation. So del G naught is equal to del H naught minus T del S naught. Already you know the equation. In the equation you substitute the del S value. Substitute the del S value. The del S values is, so negative means minus minus, so plus. So all the del G naught values are positive values. So positive values means is a less negative values. Okay, so it has less negative values. So less negative values. The temperature is increased. So temperature is increased at the particular point. This is the ellingham diagram. This is the ellingham diagram. In the temperature is increased, you see the temperature is increased at the particular point. It reached the straight line அப்படியே நீட்டி விட்டோம்னா at the particular point it reached the positive line. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் லைன்ஸை நீட்டி விட்டோம்னா என்னவா மாறும்? At the particular point it reached the positive line. So the high temperature it reached the positive. So only it has the positive slope. Okay, that's the first point. Now we are going to see the second point. Second point is the formation of carbon monoxide. In the formation of carbon monoxide line, this is the ellingham diagram. This is the line is the formation of carbon monoxide line. In the formation of carbon monoxide line is always the negative slope. Now we are going to see the reason for the negative slope. Okay, this is the formation of carbon monoxide. This is the del G naught value. This is the temperature. The del G in the always the formation of carbon monoxide values are negative slope, because now we are going to see the equation. Carbon react with the oxygen to form carbon monoxide. Okay, whenever we balance the equation, 2 carbon, here also 2 carbon, oxygen 2 oxygen, here also 2 carbon. This equation is balanced equation. This is the solid state, this is the gaseous state, this is also the gaseous state. Now we are going to see the del Ng value. Del Ng values means the number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. What does mean by, what is the product? This is the product, this is the reactant. Per number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. In this del Ng value, you are only calculate the gaseous state reaction only. Number of moles of gaseous product, number of moles of gaseous reactant தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். Okay, now you are going to calculate. Okay, so del Ng is equal to the number of moles of gaseous product is 2, number of moles of gaseous reactant. This is not gaseous reactant, this is the solid. Okay, so you didn't calculate. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here 2, here 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. But del S is equal to, del S already you know the del S, S2 minus S1. Initial final to initial. You subtract the final to initial. So final means product, you have 2, initial you have 1, initial you have 1. So S2 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Del S values is positive.